iOS 18.1 just came out, and that means we can finally use Apple Intelligence. And I'm going to show you how to turn it on using my Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Let's go. And just a reminder, Apple Intelligence is only available to iPhone 15 Pro and above. It's also available for iPads and Macs that have M series chips. That's M1, M2, M3, and M4. And there are a lot of great new features in Apple Intelligence that came out with 18.1, including writing tools, be able to proofread or rewrite messages. It gives you a new Siri, and this new Siri is smarter, and there's a new way to access it, a new animation. There's photo editing tools. You're able to record calls. It also summarizes notifications, and there's a new focus mode to reduce distractions. So there's a lot of great features. I'm going to show you some of my favorite. And more Apple Intelligence features will be rolled out in the coming months in the subsequent updates. But right now, this is what we got, and I think it's pretty cool. Now, Apple Intelligence is not turned on by default. You actually have to go into the settings and turn it on. And even once you turn it on, you have to join the wait list. And the waiting list takes about 30 minutes. It's not a long waiting list, but just so you know, you won't get it right away. And I've already turned mine on, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So we downloaded iOS 18.1. So first thing we got to do is go to settings and turn on Apple Intelligence. And if you go to your settings, you see there's a new section here called Apple Intelligence and Siri. So you go here, and at first Apple Intelligence will be turned off. So you have to turn it on and press join the waitlist. And the waitlist, like I said, will take around 30 minutes. They'll give you a notification when it's ready. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you two of my new favorite features with Apple Intelligence. And the first one is Siri, and Siri has this new animation, as you see here. It's this really beautiful animation. You see it's getting all the words I'm saying. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I just want to show you how it looks. And another awesome Siri feature is you could just double tap the bottom and just type to Siri. And it also autocorrects. Very cool. The other feature I want to show you is how to edit photos, because it has this really cool cleanup feature. So I have this amazing photo of my dog, but my fingers are on the way. So let's edit it. Let's press this new button, clean up. And now we just kind of draw over what we want to clean up. And I've never tried this yet, but so let's see how it works. To remove my fingers and make the photo, well, and now the picture is literally perfect. So that's another cool Apple Intelligence feature. So that's how you turn on Apple Intelligence with iOS 18.1. I'm going to do another video showing you all the features of Apple Intelligence, but I just wanted to show you how to turn it on and join the waiting list so you could get it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.